Theta value kind of equivalent to $1.0840 a coin in a sort of huge manner. The present exchange cost range, 1.0770-1.1320, or so they thought. The earlier day close, 1.0940, which for the most part is very huge. The change sort of was 0.0100, 0.91%, which sort of is very critical. Backwards rate, USD to Theta, which certainly is very huge. Theta value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month Theta cost expectation on Thursday, April 6, cost $1.15, genuinely greatest 1.23, genuinely least 1.07 in a genuinely huge way. Theta conjecture on Friday, April 7, cost $1.15, by and large most extreme 1.23, truly least 1.07, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Theta cost expectation on Monday, April 10, cost $1.11, in every practical sense, greatest 1.19, for the most part least 1.03 in a very significant manner. Theta figure on Tuesday, April 11, cost $1.15, extremely greatest 1.23, essentially least 1.07. Further appearance how Theta gauge on Friday, April 7, cost $1.15, most extreme 1.23, genuinely least 1.07 in a really significant way. In multi-week Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, April 12, cost $1.17, in every practical sense, most extreme 1.25, certainly least 1.09, which truly is genuinely huge. Theta estimate on Thursday, April 13, cost $1.14, fundamentally greatest 1.22, certainly least 1.06, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Theta cost forecast on Friday, April 14, cost $1.22, beautiful most extreme 1.31, really least 1.13, or so they explicitly thought. Theta figure on Monday, April 17, cost $1.23, lovely greatest 1.32, truly least 1.14, which in every practical sense shows that Theta value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month Theta cost forecast on Thursday, April 6, cost $1.15, most extreme 1.23, beautiful least 1.07, which all things considered, is very huge. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, April 18, cost $1.17, greatest 1.25, beautiful least 1.09, which especially is genuinely critical. In about 14 days Theta conjecture on Wednesday, April 19, cost $1.19, sort of greatest 1.27, especially least 1.11, which sort of is very critical. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, April 20, cost $1.18, most certainly greatest 1.26, essentially least 1.10, which by and large is genuinely huge. Theta gauge on Friday, April 21, cost $1.14, truly greatest 1.22, essentially least 1.06 in a truly significant way. Theta cost forecast on Monday, April 24, cost $1.20, lovely most extreme 1.28, essentially least 1.12, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Theta conjecture on Tuesday, April 25, cost $1.14, beautiful greatest 1.22, lovely least 1.06. In 3 weeks Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, April 26, cost $1.18, genuinely most extreme 1.26, lovely least 1.10. Theta gauge on Thursday, April 27, cost $1.12, truly greatest 1.20, certainly least 1.04, or so they truly thought. Theta cost forecast on Friday, April 28, cost $1.15, especially greatest 1.23, really least 1.07, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Theta estimate on Monday, May 1, cost $1.10, most extreme 1.18, truly least 1.02, which really is genuinely critical. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, May 2, cost $1.17, truly greatest 1.25, essentially least 1.09 in an unpretentious way. In about a month Theta gauge on Wednesday, May 3, cost $1.18, for the most part greatest 1.26, lovely least 1.10, exhibiting how in multi-week Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, April 12, cost $1.17, sort of most extreme 1.25, fundamentally least 1.09, which basically is very huge. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost $1.12, beautiful greatest 1.20, especially least 1.04, exhibiting that Theta cost forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost $1.12, certainly greatest 1.20, most certainly least 1.04, or so they generally thought. Theta conjecture on Friday, May 5, cost $1.17, sort of most extreme 1.25, really least 1.09, which especially is very critical. USD to Theta conversion scale sort of equivalent to 0.9225 coins per $1, showing how the change basically was 0.0100, 0.91%. Today, S reach 0.8834 minus 0.9285 in an unpretentious way. The past day, S nearby 0.9141, so Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, April 18, cost $1.17, essentially greatest 1.25, for the most part least 1.09, or so they by and large thought. Change for now plus 0.0084, plus 0.92%, which essentially is very critical. USD to Theta cost gauge for, in the not so distant future in month in an exceptionally enormous manner. Dollar to Theta gauge on Thursday, April 6, cost 0.870 coins, exceptionally greatest 0.935, really least 0.813, which explicitly is genuinely critical. USD to Theta expectation on Friday, April 7, cost 0.870 coins, fundamentally greatest 0.935, sort of least 0.813 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Theta figure on Monday, April 10, cost 0.901 coins, extremely greatest 0.971, by and large least 0.840. Truly further appearance how Theta estimate on Monday, May 1, cost $1.10, sort of greatest 1.18, certainly least 1.02 in a truly significant way. USD to Theta forecast on Tuesday, April 11, cost 0.870 coins, fundamentally greatest 0.935, especially least 0.813, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. In multi-week dollar to Theta figure on Wednesday, April 12, cost 0.855 coins, most certainly greatest 0.917, certainly least 0.800, which is very huge. USD to Theta expectation on Thursday, April 13, cost 0.877 coins, exceptionally most extreme 0.943, especially least 0.820, which especially is very critical. Dollar to Theta conjecture on Friday, April 14, cost 0.820 coins, really greatest 0.885, especially least 0.763. So Theta figure on Tuesday, April 25, cost $1.14, especially greatest 1.22, sort of least 1.06, or so they for the most part thought. USD to Theta expectation on Monday, April 17, cost 0.813 coins, by and large most extreme 0.877, certainly least 0.758 in an especially significant way. Dollar to Theta figure on Tuesday, April 18, cost 0.855 coins, especially most